Coming to the differences between placenta previa and abruption. So the differences between the placenta previa and abruption, okay? So first of all, we talk about pain. The pain in placenta previa is not as much, so it is not much. We can say it is negative. Only if she goes into labor, then it can happen. The pain in abruption is definitely present. Okay. Recurrence of bleeding, yes, there is recurrence. There is no recurrence in abruption. Warning hemorrhage, yes, it is there, but in abruption there is no warning hemorrhage. It just suddenly happens and it has to be managed. There is always a reason. There is always a reason or a cause in abruption. Hypertension, trauma, some risk factor. In placenta previa, there will be no cause. She will just wake up from her bed in a pool of blood. So she doesn't know what happened, okay? So there is no preceding trauma or anything, any history. It is causeless, reasonless bleeding. Fetal heart sound. Now, fetal heart sound may be present, may not be present here, but generally it is present. Here it is either fetal distress or it is absent, depending upon the grade. Now, this one, it is difficult sometimes because of transverse lie or breech presentation. Because of the malpresentation, sometimes fetal heart sound is difficult to find out. DIC is not present here. It is present here, definitely. USG. It is investigation of choice in placenta previa. It is not a clinical diagnosis. It is easily diagnosed with the help of TVS. But in here, sonography is not diagnostic. It is not diagnostic. So in sonography, in abruption, what will you actually see? Sonography will actually show you either a retroplacental clot, or it will show you a thickening of placenta. That indicates there is blood collected, but that is just an indication. Or there is another sign known as gel O sign. What is a gel O sign? A gel O sign means that when you are moving the transducer, the probe on the mother's abdomen, or when the mother is moving a little bit, there is shimmering of the placenta. Shimmering of the placenta happens, that is because of collection of blood. Shimmering of placenta, it happens because of collection of blood behind the placenta. So that is again an indication that there is abruption. Shimmering of placenta is known as jello sign. Other sign is placental bed is thickening because of probably blood collection, or a clear-cut retroplacental clot, but USG is not diagnostic of abruption. So these are the differences between placenta previa and abruption.